In today's very competitive online world, having a standout sales page is a crucial piece of the puzzle for success. A good sales page speaks directly to your audience, it addresses their frustrations, problems, and needs, and it offers them a neatly packaged solution that, if done right, they simply won't be able to resist. But there are a few crucial elements that you need to make sure to include in your sales page to increase your chances of actually making that sale. And that's exactly what we're running you through in this video. So get comfy and let us show you just what you need to sell your products, courses, and services in your sleep.
So first things first, what exactly is a sales page? You've likely heard the term floating around, but you might not know exactly what it is. A sales page is basically a single page on your website that is purely designed to sell a particular product or service by pitching it to your audience in a way that resonates with their needs. Sales pages are strategic, targeted, and honestly, a marketing must-have. Of course, not all sales pages are created equal. You do need some key elements to make sure that it's as effective as possible. First of which being a compelling headline. You'll want to start off strong with an attention-grabbing headline right at the top of your sales page. This is your first and possibly most important chance to grab your site's visitors' attention, piquing their interest and encouraging them to keep reading along. An effective headline should be clear, concise, and impactful. This will make sure that it's easy to understand at first glance, that it evokes some form of emotion and leaves a lasting impression. Some tips to help you nail your headline are to avoid jargon or complicated words, use action verbs like discover, transform, or unlock, highlight the most important benefits up front, aka how your product can actually make a change, and include keywords to keep search engines happy and your SEO high. Next up, you'll want to include some clear and concise copy. Following on from your headline, you'll want to keep your sales page copy clear and concise, making it as easy as possible to understand exactly what it is that you're selling and the transformation that you can provide. You'll want to aim to create a narrative with your copy, walking visitors from where they are now to where they want to be. For example, you might start out with a section outlining your customer's current situation and pain points, and then follow up with a section or two outlining just how different their life can look with these pain points removed, aka the transformation that your offering will provide. You'll then, of course, want to introduce exactly what it is that you're selling as the hero saving the day, and the rest is history. And another tip here to make your copy extra readable is to split it up into smaller paragraphs or bullet points under distinct headings to avoid big walls of text that people might just scroll right past. The next must-have element for your sales page is strong calls to action. Calls to action, or CTAs, are a crucial element of a good sales page, given that they guide and prompt your visitors to take action, aka purchase whatever it is that you're selling. They usually take the form of a short, simple phrase within a button, linking visitors to the next step in the process. This could be purchasing the offering outright or picking a payment plan. CTA examples could include get started, sign up, buy now, learn more, let's make it happen, things like that. Next up is engaging visuals. You want to make sure that your sales page looks professional and appealing with cohesive, high-quality images that are right on brand to attract your ideal clients. And if you don't have quite enough of your own images to create the visual impact that you're after, free stock image sites like Unsplash or Pexels are great to supplement your visuals and create the vibe that you're looking for. And remember that you can always get as fun and creative as you want using layouts to create interesting visual effects. For example, an overlapping image effect like this. And with your images, you always want to make sure to compress and rename all of them before uploading them to your sales page for SEO best practices. Next, let's talk about providing social proof. Providing proof of how successful others have been as a result of using your product is an important selling point that helps build considerable trust and credibility with your customers to be. This is especially true for something a little bit pricier, like a course. Visitors are naturally going to want to read reviews before committing. Social proof on your sales page can come in the form of testimonials, showcases, or even case studies, and will be sure to make customers feel comfortable and confident in purchasing what you're offering. Okay, now what if your potential customers have additional questions that aren't necessarily main points on your sales page? You always want your sales page to answer all of your potential customers' questions before they even know that they want to ask them. This is why an FAQ, or frequently asked questions section, is great to include. You can provide a neat way to organize and answer all of your frequently asked questions using a cool drop-down feature. By answering all of these questions preemptively, you'll be able to greatly minimize questions in your inbox, make your customers feel confident that they have all the information that they need about your product, and speed up the purchasing process. And you can also always include a link directly to your email below the FAQ section in case people have some larger or more complicated questions that aren't answered here. Now that you've hopefully answered all of your potential customers' questions, you'll want to make sure that there is a clear section laying out pricing and how to purchase what you're offering. Of course, you want to make it as simple as possible for your customers to actually purchase. And this involves clearly displaying the pricing and what is included, as well as an add to cart or relevant CTA button connected to your store and payment processor. In Squarespace, this can easily be done by setting up what it is that you're selling as a product using the built-in e-commerce feature. There are a ton of different types of products to choose from physical products to services to digital downloads and courses, all of which can be linked directly on your sales page with a handy product block that might end up looking something like this. Depending on what it is that you're selling, you might also wish to offer a payment plan option alongside your pay in full option to avoid excluding those who might not be able to afford a larger sum right up front. It is important to note, however, that payment plans can carry more risk and that they may be canceled and future installments might not be paid. For an extra incentive to pick the full-priced payment option instead, consider providing an exclusive bonus and/or a slightly reduced overall rate. Last but definitely not least, providing a way to be easily contacted should be a priority throughout your entire site, including your sales page. So make sure to include a clear contact section with a contact form or a link to your contact page so that potential clients can easily reach out to you with other questions. And since the faster you can respond, the more likely someone might be to buy, another option is to set up an instant live chat, such as something through Elfsight's chat plugin. So check that out if you're interested in something like that. Okay, now that you know exactly what should go into a super effective sales page, it might seem a little bit daunting to actually create that from scratch. And this is where pre-designed professional sales page templates can make all the difference. Our collection of Squarespace sales page templates will not only save you a ton of time, but they've been strategically designed by professionals to include well thought out layouts that guide your visitors through the page, high quality design elements that catch the eye, and built-in sales tactics to persuade and convert. They're also perfect no matter where you are in the website process. So whether you have a website already functioning, or you're just starting the process on your way to DIYing your website, or maybe you're actually currently searching for an ideal website template, our sales page templates can be delivered as a standalone website or added straight into your existing site with an installation add-on. So they really are perfect for anybody. Our sales page templates include all of the key elements that we just discussed in this video and so much more. They've also been built around strategic copy prompts to help you seal the deal, which is the most important part. So upon purchasing your template, you'll receive a dedicated resources portal filled with easy to follow Squarespace tutorials and all of our best tips and tricks to help you customize your sales page. But we've also teamed up with a professional conversion copywriter to bring you a copy strategy guide and workbook specifically designed to help you make the sales. This guide is filled with strategy, tips, and fill-in-the-blank prompts that will help you nail down exactly what it is that you're selling and why, how your product will transform your customers' lives, and how to get your customers ready to buy, taking them on a journey like a true conversion pro. Our sales page templates are also all built in Squarespace 7.1 using the newest Fluid Engine editor, so customizing our templates is as easy as drag and drop. They're fully customizable, meaning that you can change everything from the fonts to the colors to even the overall layout, making the page exactly what you need to fit your website. Another important thing to note is that all of our sales page templates are completely optimized for mobile view. With more and more people using their phones to view content online, making sure that your sales page looks just as good on mobile as it does on desktop is an important element for success. So our sales pages are perfectly mobile responsive with a completely custom mobile design, prioritizing easy-to-read layouts and fast loading speeds. And the coolest thing about all of this is that we now offer sales page template add-ons customized to perfectly match the style of each and every single one of our premium Squarespace templates. Not only is this just the perfect business bundle to get you set up for making sales, but your sales page will be perfectly on brand and save you a ton of time and money so that you can use it for all of your current, planned, and future launches. If you're interested in any of our sales page template offerings, there will be a link in the description below this video that you can click on to check out some more information. And that is all you need to know about creating an effective sales page on your Squarespace website. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful. If you're looking for some more Squarespace or small business content, be sure to follow along and subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every single week, and we hope to see you in the next one.